This is CryptoKernels. I am your host, Asa Kane. In this episode, we are going to take an in-depth look at something that I talk about on this channel in every single episode. And the reason being is because it is one of the most critical aspects in all of crypto. And what it is security. And the reason I talk about security is because without protection, we cannot have peace of mind. And as men without peace of mind, we can never have anything. Now, in this episode, we're going to look at exactly what a crypto wallet is, what it does, and afterwards, we're going to learn what the safest wallet to have is. Now, before we do so, if you haven't already, click the like button, subscribe, and click the bell notification to ensure you do not miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Now, a cryptocurrency wallet is an application that functions as a wallet for your crypto. It is called a wallet because it is used similarly to a traditional wallet in which you store your cash and you also store your credit cards. Now, the difference is that instead of holding these physical items, it stores the pass keys you use to sign for your crypto transactions. And it also lets you access your crypto when you want to do so. All right. Now, modern crypto wallets make the blockchain accessible to everyone. In days past, all information had to be entered manually. Today, the software does most of the work for you. Now, the first crypto wallet was that of Bitcoin's developer, Satoshi Nakamoto. The second wallet belonged to Hal Finney, who corresponded with Nakamoto and reportedly was the first to run the Bitcoin client software wallet. Nakamoto sent him 10 Bitcoins as a test, and the dawn of cryptocurrency had begun. Cryptocurrencies are not stored anywhere. They are bits of data stored in a database. The wallet finds all of the bits associated with your public address and sums up the amount for you in the app's interface. All right. And many wallets have integrated two-step authorization as well as QR codes and fingerprint authorization on smartphones. These are all features that have been integrated over time so that you can be the only one to ensure that you're the only one that can access your crypto. Do I need a wallet for my crypto? Yes, you cannot access it without your private keys and an interface that accesses a blockchain. So yes, you do need a wallet. All right. Seed words. Most modern wallets generate a 12 or 16 word seed phrase. An example would be a set of random words, but they are linked to your keys by your wallet. All right. What is the safest crypto wallet finally? That is a wallet with no connection on its own or to a device with internet access. That is the safest wallet to have. All right. Key takeaways. A crypto wallet is a device or program that stores your crypto keys. It also allows you to access your coins, you and only you. And lastly, there are several different types of wallets. All right. Now, if you're on the fence still after all of this information, know that people like this guy we're looking at here, his day job is to figure out how to steal what you and I have earned. You must protect yourself from him. Now, this here is Ledger's official website. Ledger is one of the leading worldwide manufacturers of crypto cold storage wallets. We're looking at their Nano S Plus. Basically, the way it works, you remove your crypto off of whatever exchange you have it on. We're looking at other products they have here. Do not leave it on your exchange, whether it's Coinbase, Crypto.com, any of them. It doesn't matter. You never leave your crypto on any exchange. You take it off the exchange or Binance, whoever, it doesn't matter. You put it on this. Okay, this way you are the only one. It is in your wallet now. You are now the only one that has access to your crypto. You can protect your crypto, your NFTs, and your tokens from hackers. All right, it is the only way. The reason I talk about this so much is because I learned that less than 1 in 4 of you watching this right now currently has a digital wallet, a cold storage wallet, I should say. 1 in 4. So 75% of you are just waiting to have your assets stolen from you. All right. You can manage over 5,500 digital assets, up to 100 apps installed already. I mean, on this small device, which is barely bigger than a cigarette lighter. Your NFTs, whether you have a mutant ape or a CryptoPunk or a moonbird, you put it on to your wallet. That way no one can ever take it from you. So many people, billions of dollars have been stolen each and every year in our space. It's just the only way to protect yourself is to have one of these. And now they've got the larger screen. When I first got into crypto heavy, more than 2 years ago, close to 3 years ago, the first thing I did, I got myself a cold storage wallet. I got one of these, and I got my son one as well. And he asked me if he put his Bitcoin on there, would it still earn money? He's young and he's brand new to it, and I thought that touched me. Okay, because I understood that. Now we're looking here. We're comparing ledger devices. You can see on the left, you've got the Nano X, which is $149. And on the right, you've got the Nano S Plus, which is $80. The biggest difference is screen resolution. That's it. Other than that, they are basically the same as far as protection. All right. There's no difference. Okay. None at all. You have to protect what you have. Now you can see the link. Our link is in the description of the video and also on our homepage. Use it to protect what you have and what you would like to have in the future. Also, use our links to Coinbase and Crypto.com to earn up to $65 in crypto simply by taking a few quizzes and expanding your knowledge, your basic knowledge. Now, any questions you have, you can send them to email. All right. Now, if this video and our channel has been of value to you, contribute back by sending a super thanks or by contributing with any ERC20 tokens to our ERC20 token address, also in this video's description. Keep learning. Consume our library. And then until next time, get in there and make it happen.